and God made that.
In the buggy.
I was being in the buggy right there.
Yeah, she was in the buggy. Mama brought her in the buggy.
From a baby store.
In there.
Yeah, her's been sleeping in there.
Baby sis was doing something. Open her eyes.
Oh, guess what she did last night?
Baby sis.
Whistled.
Yeah.
She's been drying at the house.
Well, it worked last night.
Where are
And
you
it
waking
surprised
up,
us. We
baby
both
sis?
laughed and embarrassed her. And she said, I didn't whistle. I can't do that. We upset her, and we didn't mean to because we were.
I told her, we're not laughing at you. We're just really proud of you. You whistled, didn't you?
Can you give me one pretty look up here?
Can you look at Alma real pretty? Kissing your sister. Look at her patting her.
Mm-hmm.
Baby sis, eat milk.
Yeah. It's mommy's milk, baby.
Yeah. I'll come back and get your milk, baby sis.
She's waking up, I think.